Hello friends, do you know in order to become a good footballer, you need to control your ball passing technique and ball control technique. Same way, in order to have a good relationship with your family and your friends, you need to learn how to communicate effectively. So today I am going to talk about speak good, stay positive. Okay, so we all are called social animals because we interact with others. So what we hear and what we speak has a lifelong impact. That is why sometimes it makes friends into enemies and enemies into friends. Good communication makes our life less stressful and it helps us to live our life in a better way. Now there are two types of communication. One, verbal communication, and second, non-verbal communication. In verbal communication, we use words, whereas in non-verbal communication, we use body language, eye movement, facial expression, right? So let us learn how can we develop good communication skill. First one, our top speaking. When we are speaking or talking with others, we need to keep some of the things in our mind. Start with a smile. Talk about the things which makes the person to hear you. Allow the person to represent his or her viewpoint. Use open-ended question. Be genuine. Give respect and get respect. Second one, active listening. Active listening is also very essential part for the good communication. When we are listening to someone, allow the person to complete. Don't interrupt in between. Show interest. Give your full attention. Keep eye contact with the person who is speaking to you. Ask questions to clarify but not to confuse. And third and very important, using I statement. Yeah, using I statement is very important. Why? Because many times we use you statement which harms our relationship with our friends and our family. Let me give you one example. You are always leaving my desk in a mess and I am going to throw your stuff one day. This is you statement. But when I use I statement, I'll say like this. When I see all the things all over my desk, it makes me or I feel frustrated and I would like to tell you how can we keep our desk clean. Friends, can you see the difference between these two statements? Yes, first one, anger and it harms our relationship. Second one, you are feeling the same thing that you are frustrated because of the mess, but you are talking in a proper way. You are communicating in a proper way. So instead of using you statement, use I statement in which we can show our feelings without harming others. Okay, so here I am going to give you two situations which you need to turn it into I statement. You always interrupt our games by giving excuses. That is sentence number 1. Sentence number 2. Why can't you turn your music volume down? You always show off. These are two statements which you need to turn it into I statement. And there are some more sentences which I am going to give you which you need to turn. How can you develop or how can you turn it into a positive communication? First one. You have a test next day, but your friend wants you to come for a birthday party in the evening. Second one, you are feeling tired, but your friend wants you to chat with him. So, how can you communicate in a positive way? As I already said that for positive communication or good communication, art of speaking, active listening, using of I statement, very important. At the same time, Using your body language, facial expression, usage of your speech, tone is also very important. So friends, let us practice effective communication skill and make our life better. Thank you.